Hear the name Emmy, what's one word you think of?
Caring.
Unique.
Funny. Lifetime.
Weird.
Athletic.
The list.
Beautiful.
Unique.
Intelligent.
Energetic.
Extra. Gymnast.
Lovable.
Epic.
Cringe.
Einstein.
Active.
Unordinary.
Hilarious.
Holy.
Spunky.
Fitness. Extra.
I mean, you're special. What will you miss of her?
Her laugh.
Really kind attitude toward me.
Like being so like energetic.
Our talks. Deep talks.
Her thinking that her dances were good.
Her always laughing like during anything.
I'm gonna miss everything about you.
Not talking to you and being nervous.
Making you laugh like that no matter how long.
Her terrible mispronunciation of words, especially civilian.
Her stories.
How she speaks, because she speaks very stupid in her Latino voice.
Racist.
Science class.
Her laugh.
She's always super upbeat and happy, and you know she like tries to make everybody happy.
Her always telling me to exercise.
Her personality. Her
Like your laugh and how you are, your personality. Your activeness, like how you always dance and stuff. Talks that we have, like those deep talks, and like that last for like 5 hours.
Her niceness.
Just happy for everyone. Your singing, in charge.
Her shoes, yeah, that's a good one.
What's something you want to tell Emmy for the future?
Like, never give up. Spain's gonna be hard, but you'll have fun.
Don't quit gymnastics.
I hope you're happy and doing what you love, and I hope you know that we're all gonna miss you, especially me. And yeah.
Talk to me one day in the future, please, to see how it's going. Remember me and thanks for being a great friend and being friends to other people. To not forget about us in 20 years.
Don't worry about like leaving all of us, because even though we're all gonna miss you and love you, but I want you to like live your life in Spain, have the best time ever, have so much fun, and just know that we'll always be thinking of you and that we always love you.
Keep doing you. Don't forget about me, and have fun.
Be happy. I love you. I hope you're doing well. And I hope you can still keep in touch when you're in Spain and living your life.
What? That's
Love you.
That's
Love
not
you.
nice.
Never forget me. FaceTime me every day.
Honestly, have the best experience in Spain. You're literally gonna do great things. I know you because you're already doing great things, and I love you so much.
Make the most of Spain because it's a really cool experience to live in a European country.
Don't listen to anyone. Like, I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing time in Spain and get yourself some hot Spaniard. And I love you, and I'll see you in a month. Oh, like, don't let the haters hate, because, like, they're irrelevant.
I wish you luck in Spain.
Stay the same. Don't change for anyone.
Keep on being yourself. You've been, like, literally born in Venezuela, came to the U.S. at a young age, and then going to Spain, honey, and she wants to be the president of Venezuela. She's, like, an inspirational story.
And so like this whole thing, it's still unbelievable for me. Like I actually can't believe like my best friend in the whole entire world is like moving, you know? I'm gonna write you all this in a paragraph, so like I don't really care. So yeah, have a fun time in Spain. I'm gonna miss you. I love you. Meet hot guys.
Have fun in Spain.
Come to my house. She's out there having dinner at Gaby's house. She's like, let's hang out. She's like, let's hang out. She's gonna rate Spain under.
Go sit him on your forehead, right?
I don't know how to blow. Wave.
Oh my gosh. Why do you think you guys have the
Questo è il fiore del partigiano. Oh, vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E questo è il fiore del partigiano morto per l'alma.
What is one word?
Alright, do you have anything like... Is there recording already? No, one word. One word, like love.
The list. That's 2 words.
Say list
The
then.
list.
Just say list.
List.
Just say the list.
The list.
Okay, and stop! Give them out. Stop! Hey!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Sit down.
Lifetime. Your explanation? Your explanation for that? My explanation is that we're gonna be friends for a lifetime.
Ah, okay.
Our love is lifetime.
What will you miss the most?
Memories are lifetime.
Why do you call me and ask me to do something? Can I go? I'll sit here.
Okay.
Yeah, you sit here.
Message to future Emmy.
Okay. I'll be interviewed. Am I gonna be interviewed?
Yes.
One word that comes to mind when I think is unique and spunky.
One word. What is one word?
The wings on my head.
Why are we celebrating Spain? Can we dread over it this week?
What will you miss the most? Think about it. You guys.